Hey out there, it is Monday, yeah, Monday. Been working on the Bronco all day, isn't that nice? I am just covered in grease and stuff. Got it all back together, I think. I haven't started it yet. I just barely put the oil back in the crankcase, back in the engine. Hopefully I don't have any leaks. That oil pan gasket was not easy. While I was lifting the motor up to get to that oil pan, I figured I might as well replace the motor mounts, you know, while I'm at it. It's the first thing I did this morning. Oh, by the way, I grabbed the engine around the harmonic balancer, put a chain around there and lifted it up, so that worked out good. But yeah, so I'm on my way to O'Reilly's this morning to get some motor mounts and something else. I can't remember what, a socket or something, before I get started on this thing. Highway Patrol pulls me over. California Highway Patrol. I'm only like 2-3 blocks away from the house. I mean, right in front of the auto parts store. Pulls me over. No mud flaps. Motor mounts. I'm glad I bought new motor mounts, because this is what the motor mounts look like right here. Here's the passenger side. Might be the driver's side, I don't remember now. But look at that. See that big old crack in there? Yeah, see that? That's ready to go. And the other side was gone. This is the other side. Yeah, isn't that nice? It's supposed to be one piece. Did you see how greasy and grimy those motor mounts were? Yeah. Yeah. See all that stuff's around the oil pan. Even though I had washed it off and blasted it with some engine cleaner, engine bright, or whatever they call it. Trying to clean it off first. So you could imagine stuff built up around the oil pan, and trying to get it off without stuff falling into the oil pan is just a nightmare. I jacked it up high enough though to get one arm in there, up and over, and kind of wipe around it, and then I could feel like some gritty particles like sand or something, so I got my shop vac right there. Got the shop vac and vacuumed it around there, you know. Hopefully I got everything. And last but not least, I put in a gallon of Marvel mystery oil. I didn't run the engine, I just kind of ran it through. I poured it in the top end and it came out the bottom end, so hopefully everything's good. That's what's going on right now. See? Well, hey guys, it is still Monday, and I did a little cleaning up, putting tools away. I still haven't put any trans fluid in the trans or the transfer case. So basically, it's getting dark, and I just wanted to clean up a bit. So I still got a mess. I got a mess of oily clothes. I don't know whether to wash them or burn them. But I went and bought some degreaser to clean the driveway a little underneath where I was working, and a broom to scrub the driveway. So I don't want to start the Bronco up and move it because it doesn't have any trans fluid in it yet. So I figured I'd just roll it back, and tomorrow I'll do that. But it won't roll backwards, so I'm like, fuck. Freaking depressing now. I mean, it's like Not sure what to do. Fill it with trans fluid and see what happens. Pull it back apart. I'm starting to think, you know, I really messed up when I put the torque converter, when I put the transmission in, and I bolted up the transmission to the engine, and I forgot to line up the torque converter bolts. I don't know. I'm thinking at the same time I also did break the transfer case down and put it back together. Or did I put something back together wrong, or something slip out while yeah, I don't know. Or there's more. Yeah. Maybe it's in park. You know, maybe it's in park. And I forgot to line up the. There's the mechanism that goes to the shifter. Goes inside. It engages on a valve on the. What do you call that thing? Valve body? Yeah, the valve body. That clicks back and forth. Maybe it's stuck in park. I mean, it rolls back a little. And it rolls forward a little. So I don't know, I'm kind of just bummed right now. I just